Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter. Let's see how to make 3D image for Facebook. Just open your image. Make a new layer. Go to Gradient tool. Make sure selected color black and white. Use gradient in new layer. Select this image with Quick Selection tool. Now make a new layer. Now use brush tool and fill the selected area. Press Ctrl D for deselect. If you did any mistake, you can press Ctrl Z. Type it with your image. Now go to Facebook. Upload these two images together. As you can see, now it is a 3D image. Next tutorial I will show you how to make 3D image with PicsArt. Till then stay with us, don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. Thanks a lot for watching. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon. Never miss an update from Tech Hunter.